outside of Precious Blood Catholic Elementary School here in Scarborough. It's recorded the first school-based case of the new COVID variant. Now, at the moment, the school is open and has only recorded one case, though just recently the school was shut down because of an outbreak, and some parents are now taking matters into their own hands.
Are you worried that it's in your son's school?
Yes.
So
for that, I am here for pick up my son.
You picked him up because of the outbreak?
Manuel Paladí pulled his son out of class in the middle of the day today after learning the new variant had been found at the school. Parents picking up their children at the end of the day shared similar concerns.
Just worried for my little one. I just want them to, trace the person who have that.
It's concerning, especially because for the little kids, the kindergartners, I have a 4-year-old. Unfortunately, they cannot get vaccinated yet.
Do you believe that this could just be the tip of the iceberg?
I mean, absolutely. All the data that has come out so far has suggested that it's going to be as or more transmissible than the Delta variant.
This warning tonight from the Canadian Research Chair of Aging and Immunity, who's also spent her career studying respiratory infections.
As soon as we find a case that is not directly attributable to travel, meaning somebody didn't freshly bring it in, that means we have some degree of community spread. And once those case numbers get to a certain level, then it's a statistical inevitability that it will spread throughout the population.
A statement from the Toronto Catholic District School Board reads in part, students, staff, and any impacted individuals who may have been exposed have been asked to stay home and self-isolate.
We're working diligently with the Ministry of Education to review whether we have to put any other public health measures in place in schools to further protect them and keep our schools safe.
There's something else we could be ramping up in our schools, with this new potentially more transmissible variant.
We need really comprehensive testing so we know what infections are out there. We also need to support the best masking practices there are.
Ontario's top doctor sharing today that he's hopeful the holidays will help slow down the spread of cases in younger children, while encouraging families to use the rapid test that will be sent home with each child across the province.
We may get a bit of a circuit break for those 2 weeks, depending on how people use them and how many social contacts they have during that time period.
Though for families at Precious Blood Catholic School, they're simply hoping history doesn't repeat itself.
Last time the school was closed for 14 days, 2 weeks.
Was that difficult for you and your family?
Yes. As a working parent, it's difficult to have the kids back in the house.
Well, as mentioned, the school is still open at the moment. Right now, the Toronto Catholic Board has one other school closed because of an outbreak that's affecting about 350 students.